The 5 best apps to make real money in the USA. Let's face it, everyone could use a little extra cash. And the good news, you don't need a second job or a startup capital to start earning. All you need is your smartphone and the right app. Today, we're counting down the 5 best apps to make real money in the USA. Whether you're looking for side hustle income, passive earnings, or quick payouts, these apps can help you get started. No gimmicks, no scams, just legit money-making tools. Let's go from number 5 to number 1, and trust me, the top pick has paid out billions to users. 5 days, TaskRabbit. Kicking off our list is TaskRabbit, perfect for hands-on, real-world gigs. TaskRabbit connects you with people in your area who need help with moving and packing, furniture assembly, yard work or cleaning, errands and delivery. You set your own rates and schedule, and the app lets you choose which jobs to accept. Payments are made directly to your bank account once a task is complete. If you've got time, a car, or handy skills, TaskRabbit is a fast and flexible way to earn real money. For Rakuten, formerly Ibates. Next is Rakuten, an app that literally pays you for shopping. Here's how it works. You shop through the Rakuten app or browser extension at major retailers like Walmart, Target, and Macy's. You earn cashback, sometimes up to 10% or more on your purchases. Every quarter, you get a big fat check or PayPal deposit. This app won't make you rich, but if you're shopping anyway, why not get paid just for clicking through a cashback link? And the best part, it's 100% free, and they often give you a $30 bonus just for signing up and making your first purchase. 3. Instacart. Coming in at number 3 is Instacart, where you can make money by grocery shopping for others. If you enjoy driving and want a flexible schedule, Instacart offers 2 roles: full-service shopper, shop and deliver; in-store shopper, just shop, no car needed. You get paid per order, plus tips and high performers can make $15 to $25 per hour, especially during peak times. It's available in most US cities and perfect for people who want to earn real money fast without sitting behind a desk. 2. Fiverr. At number 2 is Fiverr, a freelance marketplace where you can sell almost any digital skill. Popular services include graphic design, writing and editing, voiceovers, video editing, website development. You can set your own pricing starting at $5, but many freelancers earn hundreds per project. If you're good at something and can deliver it online, Fiverr is one of the easiest ways to turn skills into income. And with the Fiverr app, you can manage gigs and clients on the go. Swagbucks. And at number 1 is Swagbooks, the app that lets you make real money doing everyday things. You earn SB points by taking surveys, watching videos, shopping online, playing games, even searching the web. You can cash out via PayPal, gift cards, Amazon, Walmart, and more. It's free to use, available on both Android and iOS, and has paid out over $900 million to users. You won't get rich, but if you want to earn a little on the side without changing your routine, Swagbucks is the easiest way to do it. So, which app should you try first? Use TaskRabbit if you like physical gigs and fast payouts. Try Rakuten if you're already shopping online. Go with Instacart for flexible, high-demand local work. Use Fiverr if you want to turn digital skills into income. And for passive, easy rewards, Swagbucks is your go-to app. Have you tried any of these money-making apps? Which one worked best for you? Drop your experience in the comments, and if this video helped you find a new way to earn, give it a like.